Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the GAN 13 maglev. Whew! I'm super excited to show you guys this one, and I hope you guys are too. Roll the intro! I already must say, man, this box is something else. Well, let's open it up. Magnetic box. Folds open. Here is the cube. Accessories. It folds open, and as you can see, you see the whole layout of the cube in exploded view. This looks very premium. And so you have the core with the core magnets, and then the maglev. So this is the maglev version, so you have two repelling magnets in the center pieces. And you have the edge piece, oh yeah, which also has magnets which repel to the core. But anyhow, you aren't here for the box, you are here for the cube. So let's get into it. So you have the cube box, which is also magnetic, I reckon. Yes. This is the UV coated version. Like you see, it's super glossy. This is my first UV coated cube, and I must say, man, like all the other versions with frosted plastic and all, I really like frosted plastic. But if you see a glossy cube again, this is something else, man. Okay, first turns. Yeah. It has a smooth feeling to it. Like, yeah, a very smooth feeling, not like when the GAN 11M Pro had like a sandy smooth feeling. It's like, I tend to like this one better because it has a smoother feeling. And like for magnet strength now out of the box, normally I don't like strong magnets, and this one isn't as clacky as the 11M Pro. So out of the box, like the 11M Pro, you could easily so the out of the box settings I tend to like. Corner cutting, not, yeah, like 45, but nothing beyond it. That's great. Reverse, whew, effort. Oh, there you have it. the core magnets are already doing their work. But let's check it. Do you see it? It returns by itself. But let's check reverse. Yeah, that's that's impressive. Let's check out the colors. It's a half bright scheme like we're used to from GAN, but I must say with the UV coating, the colors tend to pop out more. And man, is this glossy! I love it already. It also has more grip to it than the frosted plastic. So I like this a lot. The thing is, it is smooth out of the box, but it is quite fast. So I'm going to have to, yeah, take a look, set it up, lubricate it in my likings. Let's check what's underneath the center cap. So this is now on setting 3 for the centerpiece travel, and let's see, that's kind of hard to see. Also setting 3 for the springiness of the maglev. Springiness of the maglev. um, how do you say it? Elasticity? Yeah, like that. So quite cool. And also I've done a bit of research and checked out other videos on the GAN 13, and the tool is inside this box. If I can get it out. So you use this to adjust the centerpiece travel and the elasticity. I'm going to keep it as is for this video. This is a first impressions. So let's put the piece back in and check the internals real quick. Whew, this is so cool. You have the honeycomb design on it, and like you see the repelling edge magnet. So you have the core magnets in this, and in the corners the magnets attract to the core mechanism. The edges repel to the magnetic core. So when the edge is a half a turn, it tends to move to where it doesn't repel anymore, if that makes any sense. But hey, let's put it back together. So that's back together. So let's do a hand scramble. Overall, I feel the cube is quite fast out of the box. And like I said, it's quite smooth as well, not as the GAN 11M Pro, which was scratchy smooth. And I tend to like this smoothness better. To each his own, I guess. But yeah, let's do a quick solve. Like you see, I tend to overshoot sometimes, but that's going to get away with me lubricating this cube properly and maybe mess with the tensions a bit. But overall, I'm super excited to have this cube. And man, I've said it before and I'm gonna say it again. Look at that glossy cube. Whew. That's really something else. Okay, let's look at what's in the box. A cube bag. It is a different color blue. It is a darker blue than normal. The standard pamphlet, I'm guessing. I'm going to open it up to see if it's true or not. Oh yeah, it's the same. But it has all the essentials to CFOP in it, so it's quite a good pamphlet. I laminated one. So yeah. Also a beginner tutorial on the CubeStation app, like the explanation of the cube itself. Wait. Like, if you can see, this is the magnet settings. It goes up to 6, and out of the box it's on 3. Then the center travel adjustment, like I said, it goes up to 6 and it's on 3 out of the box. And then the tension adjustment, which adjusts the elasticity of the cube, also 3 out of the box. One thing I'm going to check in this video, because I'm quite curious, is the maglev itself. Let's get this out of the way. I hope I'm not going to. So how do you open this? Press down and turn it so that the slot opens up. Whew. Just gotta be careful here. So here you can see the maglev. These are two repelling magnets which work as the springs. As you can see, they repel each other. Quite cool. Quite cool looking pieces. Okay, I'm going to put this back together. So you put this first. And let me check if it's on. It's not correct. So you put this in first with the magnet facing upwards. And then I'm going to set it on 3 already so I don't have to mess later on. And then you have this little centerpiece thingy. And then you put it back together. Press it down to a half a turn so that it clicks in place. Yes. And is it on setting 3? I'm going to check. No, it is on 4. So what we're going to do is, oh, that's quite a satisfying click. So you don't have to put many force on it. Just push it down a little and put it on 3 again, or the desired setting you want. Okay, I maybe went over this too quickly, but this is the card that's in the box. It's like a credit card thing with some, like the Instagram of GAN, and then what's this? I may be too old. I may be too old to know what this is, but hey, it's also shiny. So yeah, quite cool. And like the box as well. I really like that they did an exploded version of the cube, so that you can check out the mechanism. And also, yeah, the magnets inside the box. And what I also noticed is that the Speedcubeshop business card fits in well with the box. I know this is corny to say, but it's all in the details. Okay, this was it for the video. If you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel as well. If you have any questions concerning this cube or others, feel free to leave it in the comments below. If you want to buy this cube, you can do it at speedcubeshop.com and use discount code BSP5 for 5% off your order. It helps me make these videos and reviews for you guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.